Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove buttons from quick settings bar on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and then swipe down again, and next tap on the option key, then tap on edit buttons. In here, to add the buttons to the quick settings at the top here are the available buttons that you could use. Swipe across and choose which items that you want to add to the quick settings panel. So for example, if I want to add the protect battery shortcut, what you do is you touch and hold on the button, and once you see it pops up like that, then now you can start to drag it down to the quick settings menu. Now swipe across and place exactly where you want it in the quick settings and let go, and then tap on done. And now you can use the shortcut by simply tapping on it. Now to remove it from your quick settings, you go back into edit buttons, and then you touch and hold and drag it to the top in the available buttons panel and let go. And that is how you can add or remove buttons to the quick settings panel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.